Hi, welcome back to HOSTBOX channel and back to the tutorial for our system. Today we are going to discuss a topic called page replacement algorithm. Optimal page replacement algorithm is one of the important algorithm. So this is a tutorial definitely helpful for who want to crack the exams like UGC, GATE and so on. Let's go for session today. So before going the concept and example, let's see what will happen here. So in general operations, what will happen means when your new page is referred and not present in the memory, page fault occurs by default and operating system replaces one of the existing page with a newly needed page. In this algorithm, what we are going to exactly means here the OS replaces the page that will not be used for the longest period of time in the future. That's the concept here. Let's cover the example now. You will get clarity. So here there will be an example algorithm given. I use the pointer here for understanding. So here let's assume that there will be a reference given by 7 followed by 0, 1, 2, 0, 3, 0 followed and end with the end of 7 here. Let's cover the optimal page replacement. The page replacement algorithm. Here what we are going to mean, sir. First of all, check whether string is the user demanding the 7, but 7 is not present in the main memory. So we are bringing from the secondary memory. We are placing the 7 here. Then what we are user expecting, the user demanding the 0. 0 also not present. So it means what? Page fault. Whenever the string available, that is called a page fault. Page hit. If not available, that is called the page fault here. So I'll make it a star here. Let's see. So 7 I'm entering. So I'm inserting the 0 element. Then I have to insert the 1. There will be place I'm inserting 7, 0 followed by 1 here. Now next is I want to insert the 2. So here what will happen means I have to check 2, then 0 is there and 3 like that is there. 2, how can I do it means here 7 is there, but 7 here we are not using from here to last we see 7 here only. So 7 is we are going to use the 7 element future only. Longest period we are not using. So I can replace 7 here. So I can replace and insert the new element called 2 here. So I am inserting the coloring here 2, then 1 followed 1, 0 followed 2 is there. Next is what? So again I am copying the same. No, already I want to again I want to insert 0, but default 0 is available. So it is called hit here. So I mentioned the hit here. So 1 followed by 0, therefore 2. So here already the what are the element available in the what are the string available in the main method is called a hit here. Then I have to replace which one I have to replace. Then 3 I have to insert. So here 1 is there 1 1. So 1 where I am using here is not there. So here 1 is available here only. So 1 is the we are 1 is the element we are using the last only. We are not using now. So I can replace the 1 and insert the new element. Insert the string called 3 here. 3 followed by 0 and 2. Now again I want to insert 0. This is called hit because already 0 is available. So 3 0 followed by 2. Now the question is which element I have to replace now. So because here say 3 after that what I have to here 4 is there 2 is there 3 is longest time we are not using. Sorry 0 is longest time we are not using. Here we are continuously no. So we can replace now. So I can replace the 0 here. So 3 followed by 4. I'm setting the 4. Then 2 is there. This is also phase fault only. Then I can write 3 4 2. Then which element I have to insert 3. So here I can have to insert a 3, but already 3 is available. So we can write here 3 is available. So we can write hit. Then again 3 4 followed by 2. So hit. Then I have to write which is I have to replace 0. 4 I have to replace because here 4 is not available. See, it may use in the longest future. So 4 is not available. So I can replace 4 and write 0 here. So 3 followed by 0. Then 2 will be there. So this is also phase fault. Now again what is there? 3 is there, 0 is there, 2 is there. So 2 I can insert now. And now which is I am going to replace means which element I have to replace. I want to insert the 1 because 2 1 2 is there. Now 0 is here only. So like that will be there. So I am writing 3 followed by 0 and 2 here. This is called the hit because 2 is available here. Again I am following 3 0 2 is there, 2 is available. Then which I have to replace? Within the means 1. So here 3 is there, 3 we are not using here. Here no 3, here 2017, 3 we may use in the future. So I can replace 3. I can replace a string 3 with 1 here. So 1 followed by 0 and 2 is there. So this is also phase fault. Then I want to insert 2. So already 2 is there, good. So you can say 1 0 followed by 2, this is hit. Again 1 0 2 here, right, hit. And again writing 1 because we already inserted already 0 is there, it's a hit. Then again 1 is here, 0 is there, 2 is there, this is called hit. At last what I can do is I can insert a 7. How can I means because 2 is we are not using here, 2 is not available, we may use in the future. So I can write 1 followed by 0 and followed by the 2. So 2 is replaced with a string called 7. So at last we can conclude here. So it's called example page fault. So we can count the page hits here. Page, how many page hits here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And page fault 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can finalize the algorithm with page hits as well as the page fault here. So what do you understand from page replacement algorithm here? Here in this algorithm, OS replaces the page that will not be used for the longest period of time in the future. Moreover, the purpose of page fault algorithm is what means types of this algorithm for reduce the page fault. So we want to hit the page fault, reduce the page fault, and get the more page hit here. So just remember, so we can insert the element, and what are the element what are the string we are not using here, that should be replaced. That is the concept, overall concept of optimal page replacement. If any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the following social media. And thank you for watching video. Thank you. Please subscribe. Thank you.